Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, wearing that perfect low-cut top or that gorgeous sundress you just bought, only to feel like something is missing? You look at your chest, and even with the best breast forms in the world, it just looks a bit flat in the middle. There's no depth, no squish, and none of that natural-looking shadow we call cleavage. Honestly, for a long time, I thought the only way to get that look was through expensive surgery or just getting lucky with HRT. But here's the thing. You don't need a surgeon's appointment to get a stunning, realistic cleavage that'll make you want to check yourself out in every single window you pass. Welcome back to My Life, My Rules family. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we are diving into the secrets of creating realistic cleavage for my MTF sisters and the crossdressing community. It's 2026, and the tech and techniques we have now are better than ever. We're talking about creating a look that is so convincing, you'll feel a whole new level of confidence when you step out the door. So, grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk shop. Now, before we get into the how, let's talk about the why for a second. Our journeys are all unique, right? Some of us are on hormones, some aren't, and some of us are just exploring our expression on the weekends. But regardless of where you are, there's a specific kind of euphoria that comes from seeing a feminine silhouette that matches how you feel inside. Creating cleavage isn't just about tricking anyone. It's about feeling complete in your own skin and your favorite clothes. The biggest mistake I see people make is thinking that just buying bigger breast forms will solve the problem. In reality, that often makes the chest look wider, not more cleaved. The secret isn't size, it's physics. We need to move the tissue you already have toward the center. Even if you think you have zero breast tissue, trust me, you have skin and muscle, and we can work with that. The absolute gold standard for this is a technique I like to call the lift and lock using boob tape or trans tape. This isn't the duct tape your older cousins might have told you about. Please, for the love of everything, stay away from duct tape. Your skin is precious. In 2026, we have incredible medical-grade kinesiology tapes that are designed to stretch and breathe with your body. Here is how you do it. First, make sure your skin is clean and totally dry, no lotions or oils, or the tape won't stick. You'll want to use nipple covers first because removing tape from that area later is, well, it's a mistake you only make once. Trust me on that. Now, the trick is to bend over so your torso is parallel to the floor. Let gravity do the work. Reach under your armpit and gently pull that skin and tissue toward the center of your chest. While holding it there, apply a strip of tape starting from the side of your ribs, pulling it toward the center. Repeat this on the other side. When you stand up, you'll see those two beautiful mounds of skin meeting in the middle. It creates a natural Y or V shape that looks incredibly real because it is your actual skin. But we don't stop there. To really sell the illusion, we need to talk about the sticky bra or the rabbit ear bra. These are those silicone adhesive cups that clip together in the middle. If you put these on over your taped skin and then clip them shut, it pulls everything even closer together. It's like a double-layered secret weapon. This creates the squish factor. If someone accidentally brushes against you, or if you hug a friend, it feels soft and natural because it's a mix of your skin and soft silicone. Now let's add the weight. This is where your breast forms come in. For the most realistic look in 2026, I always recommend teardrop-shaped silicone forms rather than the perfectly round ones.
Why?
Because natural breasts aren't perfect circles. They have a slope. Slip these into a high-quality pocket bra, or just nestle them against the adhesive bra we just talked about. The weight of the forms will press down on the cleavage you created with the tape, making the line look deeper and more defined. But wait, there is one more pro step that many people skip: contouring. You know how we use makeup to snatch our jawlines or pop our cheekbones? We can do the exact same thing for the girls. Listen, a little bit of shadow goes a long way. Take a matte bronzer or a contour powder that's a few shades darker than your skin tone. Using a fluffy brush, draw a soft V or U shape right in the hollow of your new cleavage. Then take a little bit of highlighter, something subtle, not like a disco ball, and dust it on the tops of the mounds where the light would naturally hit. This creates a 3D effect that makes the cleavage look twice as deep. When you see it on camera or in a dimly lit room, it is honestly mind-blowing. I remember the first time I got this right. I was heading out to a local LGBT mixer, and I wanted to wear this wrap dress that had been sitting in my closet for months. I spent about 20 minutes with the tape and the contouring, and when I finally looked in the mirror, I actually gasped. I felt so seen. Not by others, but by myself. I walked into that party with my head held high because I wasn't worried about my silhouette looking off. I just felt like me. The key to all of this, honestly, is patience. The first time you try to tape yourself, it might look a little messy. You might get a wrinkle in the tape or not pull quite enough skin. That is totally okay. It's a skill just like doing eyeliner or walking in heels. Give yourself the grace to practice. And always use a bit of body oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, to soak the tape before you take it off at the end of the night. We want a beautiful chest, not a red, irritated one. And seriously, don't be afraid to experiment with different necklines once you've nailed this technique. A sweetheart neck or a deep V-wrap dress will look completely different now that you have that natural shadow and movement. It's all about finding what makes you feel most like you. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to be yourself, just the way that makes you smile when you catch your reflection. You've got the tools, you've got the heart, and you've definitely got the look. Keep shining, keep being brave, and I'll be right here cheering you on. Love you all. As we wrap this up, I want to remind you that while these tips are fun and can definitely help with dysphoria or just boost your style, they don't define your womanhood or your identity. You are valid whether you have a deep cleavage, a flat chest, or anything in between. These are just tools in our toolkit to help us express the magic that is already inside of us. So let's recap the secret sauce. Use medical-grade tape while leaning forward to pull your skin together. Add an adhesive bra for that extra oomph. Use teardrop-shaped forms for a natural slope, and finish it off with a little bit of makeup magic for depth. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried taping before? Or do you have a holy grail bra that gives you the perfect silhouette? Drop a comment below and let's share the wisdom. We're all learning from each other here. If this video helped you feel a little more confident today, please hit that subscribe button and join our My Life, My Rules family. We've got so much more coming your way to help you live your most authentic, beautiful life. You are beautiful, you are powerful, and you deserve to look exactly how you want to look. Go out there and rock that outfit. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till now. It means the world to have you here. This community is all about empowering each other and celebrating the incredible journeys of everyone on their path to living authentically. If you're ever feeling lost or alone, remember you have a whole family here for you. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's keep inspiring each other, sending you all the love and strength in the world. Until next time, live your life by your rules.